Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Hina's collection. So guys, today in this video I will share with you very beautiful two suits. Guys, you can see, look at this model picture. You can see there are two suits here. One is dark black and one is wine in color, and this is the bag of Gia's brand. You can see. So guys, first of all I will check this suit. This is a dark black suit, and you can check out its embroidery work. Its embroidery is really nice, all over jerkin and mirror work on it. You can check out it properly. So guys, let's open it. You can check it properly, all the dress design. And guys, we will open it and see how it's long. So guys, it will be long in size. It's a long kurti, and its daman work is really amazing and all over embroidery on it. Guys, you can see its sleeve work. Sleeve is also embroidery work with jerkin work, and you can see all over embroidery on it. It's looking very nice. And cloth wise, its quality is very superb. Both sides are embroidery work, front side and back side also. So guys, hurry up without any delay. Do your order fast as soon as. Affordable prices, all India shipping available. So guys, next you can see it's a bottom, and its bottom its downside work is also very nice and amazing. And you can see it's embroidery work, jerkin work all over. So guys, bottom will come in sandtone fabric, and after that we will see its dupatta. And its dupatta is really amazing, all over border on it in georgette fabric and embroidery work. So guys, all over the work is jerkin and mirror work on it. There are two colors in it, dark black color and wine color. You can check it on the screen. Thank you, have a nice day.